Hello everyone, my name is NewFlowerGirl, but you can call me Demi, and welcome back to another video. I'm gonna turn down the audio already because I forgot to turn down on the thing. We're gonna be doing a try not to laugh challenge. I haven't done one in a while, and basically I feel like it should be done. So this is try not to laugh cats and dogs videos, and this is the new funny animals video of 2024 at number 2. So, yeah. If I do laugh, you guys come up with something for me to do. So, yeah. And also, right now, I'm wearing my Dutch shirt. Because tonight, the Dutch are going to be playing against Germany. For you guys, that will have already happened, of course. Because for me, right now, it's Tuesday when I'm recording this. So, yeah. But anyway, try not to laugh. You guys can join in the comments section as well. But without further ado, let's go and watch it. Yep. Pretty straight up barked in the face. He does not like that. Okay.
Why'd you kick me for?
Okay. That's not a dog, that's a monkey. Dog says I can do it better. For real?
Yes, that's your tail.
You did do it better. That's orange cat behavior. His battery died. There was a mouse in there. That's one way to open the door.
There you go. Get it.
What the? Why is the cat doing that? Does not like catnip. Goat's mad. Okay. The chain of events.
Get your paw. Get your paw off the table.
New should be like. Effective. Brr. No way.
Oh my god. Hi.
He's too excited.
She's literally all up in his business.
Okay. Okay, not the goat versus the bird. That's cute.
Hello.
He just actually said hello. That's why I hate geese. Imagine. They just wants attention. That's gonna pay a lot for that lobster. Okay. He doesn't want the cookies. Yep.
Go on then.
Bro just said shut up. Bro's like, you've got treats. Hi. That husky is like, please. That's some good voice acting. That's really weird. Yep, that's one way to do it. No, poor thing. That dog's got skills. Put him on the field right now.
Do you want a pickle? Sit.
Buzz up. He just gave up.
Marley, no! Marley, no!
He wants to swim, let him. Okay. Let's go! Let's go! He just does it himself.
Oh, it's okay, honey. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Recover. It's okay. It's okay.
My dog doesn't like pools at all. Oh, poor thing. That's something my dog would do. For real. That too. That definitely. On holidays. He knows. Wow. That looks good.
关冰箱哦。哈气。
That's what I do with my dog. Oh, that's the spot. Yeah, my dog isn't like that, luckily. And that was it, kind of. Not yet. I like halfway. Oh, massage. Oh, nice massage.
No. Nope.
No, you. Suck. That's the most orange cat thing to do. Oh, he does it himself. And that's the most husky thing to do. I'm pretty sure that if I take Nusha to do car wash, that she would go crazy. He's been human before. Parkour!
Falou, eles não têm razão.
Hoje não tem ração não, eu não vou comprar também não.
Nham. Butthrow! Butthrow! Yeah, Nika. Ow. That hurt. That must have hurt.
Do jeito que hoje eu
Bro's
tô
angry.
sentado aqui pra me quebrar uma mesa é bem facinho.
Broke a slipper. That's something my dog would do too. Too cute. That cat's afraid of mice. That's unexpected. Okay. Oh, just give a kiss. That's cute.
That's too much like your mother. No, it's not. No, it's not. No, it's not. You can do this. No, no, no. Just grab it.
Sleepy.
Молодой человек. Вот что? Ну вот что это? Ну блин, ну это как?
If a cat jumps into a pool with you, it basically and they stay there, it basically means that your water is too hot. It's too hot. Oh, little Deef. Little Deef. That guy looks like Nusha. Little Deef as well. Yeah, cats love warmer water. It's like around 40 degrees or higher. They prefer it that way. So now you know. That cat is just unbothered. Athletic. That's a very Nusha thing to do.
What are you doing?
Just drinking.
Great. The popular beach resort of Acapulco was the scene of a massacre. 13 people killed.
sand dolphins! Where is he? That's so cute.
I'm gonna need you to not take my food. Mooch, no!
My
If
food.
you touch my sandwich with your cat paws.
Just give him a little sandwich. Just make a tiny sandwich for him.
Oh no!
Unbothered.
Gotta be cold cereal.
Bro just body slammed.
Did you just see that? What the fuck was that?
Swear word. Well, I made it through the entire thing, sorta. At one point I did kind of laugh. But like, you guys are the judge of that. So, yeah. Hope you guys enjoyed this. If you did, then please hit the like button and also consider subscribing if you don't want to miss any other video. But that's it from me for now, and I shall see you guys in another video. Goodbye!